Hi, welcome to Content Management System Step by Step, Step 2, Installing WordPress. To install WordPress, we must go to wordpress.org and then get the latest WordPress version. Okay, so here we have the latest WordPress version, which is the 5.6. So just click the button and then save. Okay. So for example, it is already downloaded. So since I pre-downloaded it, okay, so here it is. Next. So in the last video, I asked you to download FTP software. So for me, I already have the WinSCP. So here. So open your WinSCP and then, okay, so for example, new site. And then FTP, so it asks for host name, port number, username, password. So where are we going to get that? So we're going to get that on our Infinity account. So just go to Infinity Free and then log in. So this is the account you created earlier. Then, okay. Okay, so there. Just click the manage. So this is the website we created a while back. Just click manage. And then the details are seen here. So we have here the host name, the username, and then the password. Okay, so this is what you can see. So there. Okay, so this is now the htdocs of your domain, of your hosting. So this is the same with your WAMP, www, and some htdocs. So all files should be inside the htdocs. Okay, so since a while back I already pre-uploaded the WordPress files, so here, so it already has files. Okay, so this one. So I pre-uploaded it by just selecting all the contents inside the WordPress. I unzip and then dragging it here. But there are some FTP softwares that there are unzip buttons, so you can use unzip. But since this WinSCP does not have unzip, so I uploaded it as unzip file. Okay, so I already have those files. Okay, so that is the second process. So the first process a while back is to download WordPress and then upload here on your htdocs. Next, after uploading on your htdocs or while uploading, you need to create now your database. Okay, so let's create a database by going to your control panel. So this is my control panel. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, there you go. So let's have here database. So let's create a MySQL database. And then I'll name it CMS. So create database. Okay, so I have now the database CMS. Okay, so let's go back to our control panel. Let's reload it. Let's see if it's here. Okay, so next, after creating the database, so you now know that this is your database. Let's go back here. Okay, so and then go to your website. So just this is your website. Here, just click the website, and then there you go. Okay, so once all your files from the WordPress folder is already uploaded to your htdocs, and your website is already working, you can see this one. So if your website is not still working, you can see some colors here. So I think orange, yellow. So your website is not still working. So maybe you need to wait up to 72 hours. So that is the maximum hours to wait. Okay, so but this website or my website was only created at 11 a.m. So it took only 7 hours to work. Okay, so next. Okay, so my files are already uploaded. So my files are already uploaded. I already have a database. So the one we created. So it's now ready to install. Okay, so just to install, just click or select the language and then click continue. Okay, so it asks the database name, username, password, and host. Okay, so just click let's go. And then database name. So this is the one we created. So it should be here. So that is the database name. Here. Copy. And then it asks for the username. Where's the username? This one. Copy again. Then it asks for the password. So the password says here, your vPanel password. So where's your vPanel password? So this one. So you should show. Okay, so this is your password. So just copy. Then paste. Database host. Your database host says here. Just copy again. Then paste. So the prefix, you can use any prefix that you want, but the default is WP underscore. Okay, so just leave it that way. Then click submit. There you go. It accepted our username, password, and database. There you just click run the installation. Then next, let's have a site title. So example of our site title is Content Management System. So I'll have my username. For example, so that I can easily remember my username, I just place that there. And then password. Okay, so this one easily to remember. Confirm weak password. kayon@gmail.com. Then next, just click install WordPress. Okay, just click login. So what was my username? Then my password. Okay, welcome to my dashboard. Let's check our website. Okay, so I have now a website installed. So let's check it. There you go. Okay, so for the next step, that would be on the next video, is how to select a theme for our WordPress website.